Hey, this is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates just won 5-0 to Sekhukhune. My brother, how do you feel about the win tonight?
Yeah, they play well. I accept it, but I'm waiting for them. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Oh, I see black and white. Oh,
Yes, I'm waiting for them. Yeah. They were lucky to score 5 today.
Yeah.
They score 4 on Tuesday. They score 5 today, but in the next coming 10 games, they won't score those.
But it can't be. It can't say it's luck because of they scored 5 goals.
It's lucky because their striker scored a hat-trick. He missed a penalty also.
Yeah.
Missed another like 5-7 chances.
8.
Hey, he was supposed to show like Alan Haaland. You see?
Yeah, but they scored 5 goals. You must just be happy for them.
Yeah,
that they
I'm
scored
happy
5
for
goals.
them, but I'm waiting for them also.
Waiting for them.
Yes.
No, all the best, my brother.
Yes.